is Taylor-Leigh Adams, and I'm a dancer, choreographer, teacher, and performer here in Richmond, Virginia. I'm excited to be part of Your Well because I enjoy bringing movement to people of all different backgrounds and bodies and have it integrate into a community and the holistic picture of the body. My class is based on authentic movement, so you don't have to have any prior dance experience. It's more of finding your own movement and the way your body wants to feel and move in the space as a collective and also individually. The point of my class is to leave feeling a new experience of connection to your body. So we explore different textures, different dynamics, level changes, spaces, and ways to access different movements in your body that you wouldn't normally reach on a day-to-day basis. So by the time you've gone through the class, then you have this bank of tools to use to find your own authentic movement and your own sense of groove in your own body.